post about women's reproductive rights this morning. Has your stance on abortion changed?
Yeah, no, very good. I'm very strong on women's reproductive rights. The IVF, very strong. I mean, we're leaders in it. And I think people are seeing that, and votes are being taken, and that's what they've wanted for years. For 52 years, they've wanted votes to be taken by the states, and they wanted Roe v. Wade to be brought into the states. And it's really happening. It's really happening. We have a situation that for years that whole issue has been tearing our country apart, and now the states will get the vote. And, you know, if you look at many of the states are up right now, and they're getting the vote, and they're getting the vote that the people want. They wanted the vote of the people. And like Ronald Reagan, you know, I've gone through it a lot. But you're going to have choice, and you're going to have different things that you can talk about. But when you get into that issue and reproductive rights, I think what we've done is so right. What the Democrats do, take a look at what they're doing. They have the governor of Minnesota has the right to kill a baby after birth. After birth. This isn't abortion. This is after birth. Because he's got that. And think of it, in Minnesota, he's got that right. And how can you have a right like that? And they're actually the radicals. If you think about it, they're actually the radicals. So we brought something out. Everybody wanted it this way. Everybody felt strongly about it. Democrats, Republicans, liberals, conservatives, everybody. And every legal scholar wanted it brought back to the states. They brought it back to the states. The states are voting on it right now. A lot of them are voting on it right now. And I must say, Ohio became much more liberal in the sense of that vote. You know that. Kansas, much more liberal. Others, I guess, different. But it brought it back to the people. Nobody wanted it. Nobody wanted it to remain in the federal government. And it won't be in the federal government. It will never be in the federal government. It will be in the states where everybody wanted it. And if you go back and look back 10 years, 15 years, everybody wanted it. Legal scholars, everybody wanted it brought back to the states. And that's where it is.